Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to get a free trial in Gearup Booster. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Now search for Gearup Booster and install the app. After that, open the app. Then tap on Continue to proceed through the welcome screen. Tap on Continue again if prompted to accept permissions or basic setup instructions. Now tap on Boost Now. This will take you to the main boosting interface. Next, tap on Try for Free. Here you will see the 3-day free trial option displayed on the screen. Now tap on Try Free and Save Now. After that, tap on Me located at the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile section. Then tap on Upgrade Now. Here you will see the free trial details, including that the trial lasts for 3 days and that you will be charged on the 3rd day unless you cancel before the trial ends. Now tap on Try It Now. You will be able to check the available plans and their prices after the trial period. Next, tap on Start My 3-day free trial. At this point, you will need to add a payment method to your Google account if one is not already added. Even though it is a free trial, Google requires a payment method for verification. You will not be charged if you cancel before the 3-day trial ends. Once confirmed, your free trial will start and you can begin using Gearup Booster's premium features immediately. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.